Hot Wheels. A very big selection of Hot Wheels over here. You can pay with your credit card. And just tell you, please make a selection. You touch. So they are $4.99. Return. And this was a 57 number. It's $3.99. And you keep going. Price starting as low as $1.99. The music in the mall is too loud. And the selection number, multiple vending, and item number, price, balance, pickup code, back, enter.